shots, 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 shots. Everybody! Shots, 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 shots.
SubWOOFer? Oh, shit, son. Fuck that puppy chow shit. SubWOOFer, that is what I'm talking about. My dog, like a dead Betty White. Not even Betty White alive before this stuff. Right now, it's like Pee Wee Herman jumping around doing nuts. Just going nuts. Totally recommend this stuff. It's awesome.
Push me, and then just touch me, till I can get my satisfaction.
Push me, and then just touch me, till I can get my satisfaction.
SubWOOFer is good. I drink myself. It's good for my dog. It's good for me. My sister, she loves it. She drinks it with her puppies. You know, SubWOOFer. It's just
our new product, SubWOOFer.
Well, I'm personally a big fan of it. I personally drink it myself if my dog doesn't finish it. I give it to my dog once a week, and the price is great, very cheap. I love the containers that they come in, and like I said, you know, me and my dog kind of just sit on the bed together while we spoon, and I take a sip, and then I give him a sip, and SubWOOFer is a great project. I wouldn't go anywhere else but SubWOOFer.
Hasta la vista, baby.